Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi Live Noding. In this episode, I want to show you another way you can do like a slicing, and you can quickly make this kind of effects very easily. So yeah, this is I think the quickest way to do it. I can build this from scratch, and you can get a lot of interesting effects from here. So let's get it. Let's make this from scratch. We're gonna be using Voronoi add-on. I mean Sphere add-on. And we start with a box once again, and let's use a viewer draw for now, and let's save this as fastest slicing. So this box is, I think, is around 2 units height or something, and we're gonna be using line also. And let's see this box like that. By default, this line is gonna grow in the x-axis like that. We're gonna center it and we're gonna normalize it. And when it's normalized, we can easily change the length from here. So we make sure this length is about the same size of the box. So the size should be 2 for the box. And this is gonna be our slicer. So it's yeah, we got everything ready. We just need to slice it using a script node live, and this is gonna be Voronoi 3D, and this line goes into our Voronoi cutter, and this is gonna be our box. And let's look at the result very quickly. There you go. I think the shrink should be 0, or actually 1. So I think that's about right, unless I'm doing it wrong. Maybe the box needs to be the size of 2.5. Yeah, I think this seems to be more correct. Okay, we got our slicer, basically. There you go. So that's one. The slicer can go even higher, actually, but this is 1, and you can go smaller. That's about right, unless this should be like 2 or slightly larger, 2.2. That's okay. I think doesn't matter. It's not like super precise. There you go. That's our slicers. And of course, we don't want just a viewer draw. We want it to be B-mesh, so real object. Plug that in, and we need Susan head. With Susan head, we're gonna need maybe to get rid of the eyes. Go to edit mode, select our face, hit L, and then delete. Same here, hit L, delete, and then fill that. So we get our Susan head. It's gonna be sliced, and file, save as. Maybe a good idea to keep this the same. 2.5, 2.5 here, or maybe less in this guy, but it's really up to you. It doesn't matter. So that's our slicer. You know the drill. You got the Susan head and you have the slicer, and so you simply use a Boolean and you cut it, and then use a intersect for the cutter. I think that's all you need. All right, we got our Susan head being sliced, and we can still, the stepping doesn't work. We can still control the number of vertices to cut Susan from any directions in the X, Y, and Z. Of course, you can also rotate the line if you like. So a lot of possibilities here. You can even randomize the line if you like. So that's gonna create something that's more like a Voronoi slicer, slightly uneven kind of cutting. It's a little bit more abstract. If that's what you want, feel free to do that as well. So there you go, and you can get rid of the shrink, and you can kind of get a very interesting result there. And now simply give it a matcap, give it that kind of interesting look. Suzanne box, we can increase the box size, and there you go. That's even faster way. I think that's the fastest way you can slice. So this is like a quick slice. Save this, and always save the blend, and there you go. Hopefully you enjoy this one. Let me know what you create, if you create something interesting with this. You can also, you know, just turn this into a rigid body and then just drop it. I can probably show you that really quickly. So with this Susan head, just duplicate it, right? And then just apply the Boolean. And you have this Susan head. And let's create just a quick box. And this guy, if we scale it like that and turn it into a rigid body, passive. And this Susan head is going to be rigid body, active, convex hull, that's okay. And separate by loose part, and then also set origin to geometry. And I think you just need to simply drop it. There you go. Very cool. Cool effects, very easy to do as well. And I think I'm gonna save this. So you know how to create this now. So yeah, there you go. Hopefully you find this useful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.